Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to add border in Canva. Adding a border in Canva is simple. Go ahead and open your Canva application on your mobile device, and then once you're inside the home page, create a new design or open up an existing one. Now if you want to add a border onto this project over here, simply go ahead and choose the element option, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Inside the element, look for the frame option at the top, or you can also type in frame in the search box. From the list of frames appearing on the screen, choose the one you'd like to add onto your image. After selecting a border or the frame, you can adjust the frame around the image. Make sure that it fits your design. If not, you can also look for another frame by going to Elements and looking for Frames. After you select a frame of your preference, you can then adjust it by dragging the edges along the screen of your frame. Make edits to adjust your image, resize and reposition your frame. You can use your creativity to position the frame around your design. And after you are done adding the frame, it will look somewhat like this. You can also change the color of the frame by tapping on the frame and scrolling through the bottom menu and tapping on color. Choose the color for your frame that matches your design or your element on the project, and that's how you easily frame your design in Canva. You can now go ahead and further edit your design according to your preference. So that is how you easily add a border in Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.